What's going on YouTube? Robert with his Subi Adventures coming back at you for part 2 of our Trailrunner truggy transformation. Just a quick recap. We got an Element Enduro Trailrunner, fully modified, had that TRD livery going on. But we're gonna be switching it up. We're gonna go truggy style. Last episode you saw we put the IARC adjustable shock mounts and bed. Today we're gonna tackle the rock sliders, get these plastic rock sliders off of here, get some awesome looking rock sliders just picked up from these guys right here, Rock Pirate RC. These things, I tell you guys, are hefty. Look at these bad boys. You got that little pirate logo going on there too. Just gonna replace that. It's gonna be so flipping awesome. A couple things we're gonna have to do. Obviously, we're gonna have to take off the old sliders. We're gonna take off the receiver box and the ESC. Went and picked up some double-sided tape. The receiver box is held on by 4 screws in the bottom. Can't do that on these new ones unless we drill holes, which I'm not gonna do. So we're just gonna go ahead and use some double-sided tape to hold everything nice and neat. So yeah, let's get this thing started. All right guys, so a couple things to take note of whenever you're putting these sliders on. If we're looking at the slider right here, you know, this is mounted up to that body sitting like this. So you got 6 holes here. You got 2 holes here that are mounted up to the chassis of the car. And then you got 3 here, you got 2 of them, same thing, mounted up to the chassis. And then you got 1 here in the middle that's actually screwed into your link. For the new ones, Rock Pirate RC, you only got 2. So these 2 are actually gonna go right here. Be mounting right there, and those 2 to support this bottom plate here. And then you're gonna go ahead and just screw in your screw right here that's gonna actually hold your link in place. All right guys, so this is what we're looking at. Saw me fumbling around, messing with these dumb nuts and screws, and it's a love-hate relationship with this stuff, man. Fingers are too big. But anyway, so again, 2 mounting points here on the bottom, attaching this right here, attaching your plate, and then you got your 1 screw that's there just by itself that will need to go back in to attach your upper link right there. But that looks awesome, liking it. You know, like I said, we're gonna get some double-sided tape. We're gonna get this thing on here with some double-sided tape, and then we'll repeat the process for the other side. All right, so one thing I just kind of wanted to point out, I just noticed taking this other side off, is when you pull these screws out, there's actually 3 different size screws. You got the smallest screw, those are the ones that are going directly into the chassis of the rig. You got the medium size screw, those are the ones that are actually going right in the middle that's supporting this plate that your transmission and everything is on. And then of course you got your long one, that one's gonna go here where your links are gonna go. So just making sure. I know I ended up with 1 longer screw on the other side, so sitting on my table, so I'm gonna have to go back and find out which one of those 2 I didn't put back right. But just to point that out, little detail, just saw it, but we'll go back to getting this other side put on. All right, guys, so here it is. Both sides in. Check out that little pirate logo. Awesome. Again, solid mounts, man. All metal. Still gotta get the double-sided tape to get these things in here, but all in all, looks good. And clean up these wires. I got a few other things going. I got my Trick RC lights, and I got my winch with my Weeboo over there. So just gotta clear up some of these wiring. I'm also looking into doing the Hobby Wing all-in-one motor and ESC. If anybody's had any experience with that, man, let me know. Drop it down in the comments what your experience is and, you know, how you like it. Kind of looking at it right now, man. It's kind of got my eye, that brushless system, and then it gets rid of this extra thing because it hangs off right here on the motor. So let me know. But yeah, all in all, it looks pretty good. Go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up and double-sided taped on this thing, and we'll get right back to it. All right, good people, we're back. So check it out. Got them on, got them mounted, everything nice and secured on the inside. ESC receiver ain't going nowhere. But couldn't help myself. Had to cut out the body. Had to check it out. Couldn't wait for the next video. Just a quick mock-up. Still gonna need to find a way to secure this back here. Probably gonna make some mounts. I went ahead and got some heavy-duty Velcro to do that. Velcro that to the body. But all in all, man, it's looking awesome. Check out this thing. This thing looks like a beast, even on a clear body. Again, still trying to figure out what color. If you guys got any suggestions, man, let me know. I'm still trying to figure it out. I know I don't want to do a nice clean body. I'm definitely going to go for that patina look. Do have some history messing around with the Hot Wheel cars back in the day. Used to modify those, customize them and all that. So I know how to patina stuff, so we'll see. That's kind of where I want to go with it. So just your all around rock beater trail truck, truggy, you know, that's what we're going to go with. We're not going to go with no flash thing, but all in all, quick video. Got these rock sliders in. Again, check them out. Rock Pirate RC. If you want some. Again, I mean, they're awesome quality, awesome build. We'll see how they handle out in the trails pretty soon. Don't forget, if you like this video, stay tuned for the other part where we get this thing taken care of. And leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you want. And until next time, peace.